Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you hate scuffing up or scratching your door sill as much as I do, our friends over at LASFIT may have a solution for you. Alright, so our friends over at LASFIT have sent us a door sill protector that I think you guys would be interested in. So what comes in the package? Let's have a quick look and then let's go out to the car and install this. So we have two sill protectors for the front and two for the rear. So the front one looks like this, and it's really nice material. I mean, to the touch it almost feels like the one on the Tesla right now, and it's got some 3M tape in the back. And then this is the one for the rear, and the reason why it's shaped so odd like this is because it actually goes up right next to the rear seat. That's the section here, and then this goes down on the door sill itself. So yeah, pretty good. I mean, the quality is pretty nice, and this one has the 3M tape in the back as well. And let's go ahead and go to the car and see how easy the installation is. Alright guys, so it's got this 3M tape in the back. I went ahead and took the tape off, peeled off the tape. Now it is pretty strong, and you can do this the way I do it, is just take the whole tape off or do it little by little. I think it's okay either way you do it. Just line it up. I think it's going to take a little while for it to completely stick to the plastic. So now this is where I want it. I'm going to line them up, push down, make sure they're in, make sure it's connecting to all the pieces I want. And then you see this rubber trim back here, so you're gonna want to peel this back, and then it'll go over the plastic, the piece that you just put in there. So all right, so now I'm gonna push down on it, make sure it's making a connection to the plastic, and this rubber piece goes over the door sill protector and then kind of keeps it in place as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not moving anymore, and that's it. That's how easy it is to install the front. Let's go ahead and move to the rear door. Alright guys, same concept here. Gonna go ahead and wipe this down, make sure you get the right one, and then kind of line it up, see where you want it to be. I'm gonna make sure I push it back. Once I have this lined up, just push it back, and this will go underneath here, and then the rubber seal right here will go over the door sill protector. So that's pretty easy. Let me go ahead and take the tape off. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and line this up, push it back where I want it to be, push it back here, make sure it lines up good, and then just push down. Alright, and then I'm just going to peel this rubber lining back a little and put it over the door sill protector, and it should be as easy as that. Good thing is that the door sill protector is also flexible. You can kind of move it out of the way a little bit for the rubber lining, to be able to pull the rubber lining and put it over. Here we go. And Voila, there it is. Just have to fiddle with it a little bit to make sure it fits in perfect, and you'll know when it attaches. You just have to keep pressure on there so the 3M tape sticks down initially. And that should be it. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the video. Hope you like the product. I like it. You know why I like it? Because it looks like it's part of the OEM package. Nobody will look at it and say, hey, do you have an extra door sill protector on there? It actually looks OEM, and there's no markings on top of that, so I really like that they don't have any branding on it, so it just looks like it came with the car. And it helps protect your door sill because you know, these door sills scuff and scratch easily. Mine are already scratched, and I take good care of my car. The cool part is that there's a discount code you can use and save 15% on all Tesla products at LASFIT. If you want the mats and the door sill protector, use my code RAN at checkout. That's short abbreviation for right about now, RAN, and you can get 15% off any of these Tesla products at LASFIT. The link is right here, and I'll throw it in the description below as well. If you like the video, please hit that thumbs up. I appreciate LASFIT for sending these products out, and please hit that subscribe button, and until next time, ride safe.